It's kind of like a little mukbang. Hey guys, it's Kaylee
and Christa.
And today we're going to be eating, excuse my face, okay, I don't have makeup on. It's like really oily and stuff. So today we're going to be eating these machachi-chan instant lunch. And these are like the hot ramen noodles, so like I'm not sure how hot they're going to be. They smell pretty spicy. Woo! But you know, it could just be the smell, so we don't know for sure. So we have some questions on my phone. It's kind of like a little mukbang.
We can just talk about our life.
Yeah. Okay. You ready to try this? We're gonna try it first before we do anything else. Okay. It smells really good.
It has like carrots in it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, we tried it.
Dang. Okay, so first person to take a drink. I want to drink so bad right now. First person to take a drink loses. When you were little, what did you want to be?
Nurse.
I wanted to be a teacher. Like, I would like get these little papers and I would bring them home and like pretend to pass them out to students.
I'd do that too.
You would. And then I'd be like, guys, so get out page 34 in your notebook.
They're actually good.
They're really good. It's just they're spicy.
Obviously.
Okay, what's the best book you've read? The best book I've read? The best book I've read, I forget the name. It was about this girl, and she went to camp, and she really liked this dude.
Mine is Diary of a Kid.
I love. My face is so red. Oh my god. But I love Diary of a Kid.
The colored books?
Yes.
You have one over there.
So this is like the books. This one wasn't like my favorite one I've read, but this is like the series of books I like, and they go by like the color. So if it was pink, it would be called Pink, or
I've only read the pink one and the gold one.
There was this one about this girl that was anorexic. It was really good. And then maybe this is my favorite one.
Best Friends Forever. Yeah, right.
But yeah, they're like those books. That's like my favorite one. So yeah. Okay, so the next question is like, what are you most afraid of? I'm afraid of
losing people.
Yeah.
I'm not. I don't want another one.
You don't?
I gotta get a big one this one.
Okay. What's your most embarrassing child memory? Mine was whenever I peed in class. And I said that I spilled water. And then one of my friends had to help me clean it up. And I had to walk the rest of the day at school with wet clothes.
You dropped some.
Actually, I feel like yours isn't as hot. Oh, cool.
If you got a new tattoo, what would it be?
It would have my uncle's initials right here. What would you have? My uncle that passed away. Yeah, not. Yeah. You want to drink? You gonna give up?
No.
Oh yeah, we got water right here. right in front of us, and it's like looks super good right now.
Mine would be the little sound.
It hurt. Oh my god! It went in my eye. No, my god.
I'm gonna pee. Okay, mine would be, I don't know. You go.
Woo!
You go.
I was trying to be cool with it.
Make the sound you made.
Wow, I don't know what I did.
We're taking too many bites, Kaylee.
Got a big old wad of hair in my mouth. Ugh. Probably from that.
I'm gonna pee. Can I go potty real quick?
Mm-hmm.
You better not take it. No, I'm not, because you'll take something to drink.
I won't.
You swear? Stop. I'm gonna catch up to you.
Come on. I got this much. Eat that big old wad. Are you caught up to me yet? Let me see. Oh my god.
Who has influenced you the most?
You.
That's not what I was gonna say, but I'm kidding.
What does influence even mean? I was just trying to be nice. No, really, what does it mean?
What, like, helped you or whatever?
Oh, you.
Yeah. Stop, Kaylee. Stop bragging.
Once I get finished, I win, and I get to drink my drink. So,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. You better finish, because I'm almost done. Kaylee's the winner.
Kaylee, that's a question. Why are you so amazing?
That question doesn't exist in my head.
Can you hula hoop?
Huh?
Can you hula hoop?
Heck yeah.
I can hula. I love hula hooping.
Me too. Okay, we're weird.
If you could change your first name, what would it be? I like Emma.
Emma's cute. I would make mine Carson. Hello.
It's ugly.
Okay, I'm finished. I finished before you. You want this juice?
Guess what we get to do?
We're finished.
A few moments later.
Dang. Okay, guys, so we ran out of noodles. So we're gonna eat some cheese balls.
Okay. What embarrasses you the most in front of other people? Carson.
No, we can't say that. That's rude.
He knows he does. He says he embarrasses us
Oh,
in
yeah.
person. Yeah, on purpose.
Carson. Yeah, Carson.
No, woman.
We'll do like 4 more. Or 5. Watch me. Ready?
Where is the most beautiful place on earth and
Ow! It hit my bracket!
why?
Wait, what did it say? Paris.
Where is the most beautiful place on earth and why?
Hawaii.
Wherever Kaylee is, because she's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Even though that was a lie.
Let's try to freaking eat our ramen noodles. Are ghosts real?
That's so cringy!
Okay, are aliens real? I think they are.
Oh yeah, for sure. One time, I was at my grandma's and I heard on this intercom, "We want food."
It was probably breed.
Never thought about that.
What's the saddest song you've ever heard? I like sad songs. That song. What's the sweetest song? Mary.
I just Had to let you know you're mine.
Marry Me by Bruno Mars. Love that song.
And I'll say, well, you marry me.
What's under your bed?
What country is dead?
What's under your bed?
Some backpack. Probably some food. And yeah, I'll clean up.
There's nothing under my bed because nothing can get under my bed. Have you ever prank called someone?
We did yesterday.
Yeah.
Me and Christa and Carson.
100 kittens or 3 baby sloths?
Sloths. 100 kittens I couldn't do.
Yeah.
No, no. No, thank you.
How many bones have you broken? 2. What food will you absolutely not, under any circumstances, eat?
Oh, what are those things in that can?
Oh, freaking.
They're like fish.
Yeah,
Sardines.
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 Has anything/anyone ever saved your life before?
Okay, let me tell a story. Okay,
Yeah.
Mom, Dad, click off this video. But, well, the other day.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. I don't know when this video's gonna be posted, so it might be like 2 days ago for you. But
Sunday.
It'll be posted Sunday.
No, it was on Sunday. This happened on Sunday.
We'll have it on Sunday, 29th, 2018.
July.
July. Okay, well. Me and Carson and Christa obviously aren't old enough to go, like, we don't have a car. So, we have to, like, walk across the road.
Yeah.
This wasn't even, like, a busy road either. Well, my dumb butt. Mom, I'm so sorry. I decided to walk when there was this big bus coming. And I remember in the back of my head, like, I didn't really hear them a lot. But I think I did. That's the reason I stopped, is because Carson goes, what did y'all say?
We were going, Kaylee, stop, stop.
Yeah.
We were terrified.
Because there was a bus coming.
It was
I was just running. So whenever I stopped, I jumped up and stopped. Well,
And the bus driver was pointing at her.
I wasn't even. Well, I will never.
So
Actually,
basically, me and Carson saved your life.
yeah.
Aww.
Because if they hadn't have said something, I would have.
She would have kept on going. We were just trying to go to Taco Bell.
Yeah. We were trying to go eat. And almost got by bus. And then I refused to cross it again. But then, like, 25 minutes later, I crossed it.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We went to...
We went to Learning Road.
Okay.
Hey, can I use one of your wipes?
Yeah. Would you ever adopt a child?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Not right now.
Not right now. Not soon. Not soon. But, like, whenever I'm older, I would.
You know what's weird to think that in 5 years we could have a kid?
Yeah.
I'll be 20 in 5 years.
I will be 19.
So you can still have a kid. A lot of people have kids at 19.
Okay. What is one thing you're embarrassed to admit but want to try?
I don't know.
Either.
I thought it said something else. I thought it said, what's one thing that you're embarrassed? What's one thing that you've done or something? What's one thing you've
What
done
would be the
that you're
answer to
embarrassed
that?
to try? I don't know that.
If you were a cake, which cake would you be?
Actually, I'd be a cookie cake.
I'd be an ice cream cake.
I like ice cream cake too.
What is the most important memory you have and why?
When me and Christa first met.
Yeah, because it's when I met my best friend.
Aw, that could be a cute audio on Musical.ly.
Meanwhile.
What is the most important memory you have and why?
Once me and Christa first met.
Okay, that's when I met my best friend. When was the last time you cried?
A couple days ago. You did? I did.
We both did. How old was your mother when she had you?
Okay. She's 38 right now. My mom's 38, so. $23.
My mom was 26.
So your mom's 41?
40. You're a year older than me.
Oh, yeah.
Which famous person would you like to be BFFs with?
Shawn Mendes. Oh, yeah. Christa.
I would want to be BFFs with.
I would probably, if it was a girl, I'd be BFFs with probably like Selena Gomez or Ariana Grande. Well, they're too pretty. Or what's that one girl that plays in the kissing booth?
Joey
King. I love her so much. So I'd be BFFs with Joey King.
Yeah.
But you're more my BFF.
Is there something you wish you had said sorry for but never did?
Yelling at Uncle Josh. I yelled at him once. I don't think it was yelling, but I think I did get mad at him for something. I'm gonna say
I'm
that
not gonna
again.
say mine on camera. What's your favorite pizza topping?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Pepperoni.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Mine is Thanksgiving.
Really? That's like
Because
my
it
least.
never gets any recognition. Because after Halloween, everybody expects it to be Christmas. But there
Yeah.
is Thanksgiving's in the middle of
That is true.
it. What's your birthday? My birthday is April 8th, 2003.
Hers is April 24th, 2004.
What's your favorite fast food restaurant? Mine's Jack in the Box.
I don't have one, so mine is probably Arby's. No.
Ooh, I love Arby's.
Yeah.
I'd still say Jack in the Box.
I'd say Arby's, yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Light,
Blue.
and yours is pink.
Light pink.
Or light pink.
What can I cook?
Eggs.
What else?
Pancakes.
What else? What else?
Ramen noodles.
What else?
Spaghetti.
I fix some good spaghetti.
What about tacos?
I can fix tacos.
What can I fix?
You can fix eggs. Ramen noodles.
Mostly microwavable stuff is me. Okay.
What do you like about me?
What I like about you? Everything. For real. I like your hair. Your eyebrows. Like mine too.
Yeah.
I like your lips. I don't like mine. What do you like about me?
Everything. I love your hair. Your eyes.
My hair.
Yeah.
My hair.
Yeah.
You.
What are rather long sleeves or short sleeves?
Long sleeve. Would you? Yeah.
You too.
I love long sleeves because they like cover my big fat arms.
Your arms aren't freaking fat, Kaylee.
Do you see that jiggling? Does your best friend have a nickname? What is it?
Okay.
Mine's Kay, and then hers is
Christa.
Christa. Cause like I don't have like I've tried to come. I was like, can I call you C? And she was like, no.
I mean, you can, but what one gift would I want for my birthday?
Would you want makeup? No. What would I want?
A new phone. The iPhone 10.
She would want in it. Yeah, that's what I would want.
Or the newest one that's coming up.
But are they talking about something that we can afford? Because I can't afford like to get you because I don't have a job, you know. So I would get her makeup.
Yeah.
Right, that's what she would want from me. I would want makeup too. I love makeup. Funny story. Christa used to hate makeup like 2 years ago.
That's really funny.
I mean, crazy story. Christa used to hate makeup 2 years ago. But yeah, those.
Kaylee has this.
Yeah. Okay. Funny story. Funny. Okay. Actually, it's not funny. Crazy story. Weird. Here's a story. Anyways, so I have like so many more brushes I could use for my blush, but I choose not to because this one applies it better. And like it's broken. That's sad. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please
Like,
please
subscribe,
please
comment,
and please,
turn your post notifications on.
and we will see you guys in the next video. We love you. And bye.